Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy Insan. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of FinTech, short for financial technology. We'll explore what it is, how it's revolutionizing the financial industry, and how you can become a certified FinTech expert to unlock exciting career opportunities. Let's get started. Let's break it down. FinTech refers to the use of technology to improve and automate financial services. Think about things like online banking, mobile payments, cryptocurrencies, Robo-Advisors, and investment platforms like Robinhood or Zerodha. If you've ever transferred money using PayPal, scanned a QR code to pay at a shop, or bought Bitcoin, congratulations! You've interacted with FinTech. But FinTech isn't just about convenience. It's also about inclusion. Over 1.4 billion people globally remain unbanked. They don't have access to traditional financial systems. FinTech is bridging this gap by bringing financial services to the fingertips of people who previously couldn't access them. M-Pesa, for instance, allows people in rural areas to send and receive money without a bank account. It's innovations like these that show how FinTech is reshaping finance worldwide. Now let's look at why FinTech is such a big deal. It's not just about making payments easier, it's about creating entirely new financial ecosystems. For example, take blockchain technology, the backbone of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Blockchain creates a decentralized ledger that's secure, transparent, and nearly impossible to tamper with. This has huge implications for industries like banking, real estate, and even healthcare. Another FinTech innovation is Robo-Advisors. These are AI-driven platforms that analyze your financial goals and create personalized investment strategies. They're making wealth management accessible to people who can't afford traditional financial advisors. And then there are Neobanks, digital-only banks like Revolut and Chime. They're disrupting traditional banking by offering zero fees, real-time notifications, and seamless user experiences. Excited about FinTech? Great! Let's talk about how you can join this booming industry. Becoming a certified FinTech expert is a fantastic way to stand out in this competitive field. Here's your step-by-step guide. Start with the fundamentals. Learn the basics of finance and technology. For finance, focus on topics like payments, lending, investments, and risk management. For technology, familiarize yourself with programming languages like Python, blockchain basics, and data analytics tools. Next, enroll in a reputable certification program. Look for courses offered by institutions like the Global Academy of Finance and Management, MIT's FinTech certification, or the FinTech School. These programs cover essential topics like artificial intelligence in finance, the regulatory landscape, and innovations like decentralized finance. Many of these programs include practical projects where you can apply what you've learned to real-world scenarios, like creating a blockchain-based payment system or developing a FinTech app. Once you've completed your certification, it's time to get hands-on. Internships are a great way to start. Companies like Paytm, Stripe, or Coinbase often have internship programs. You could also freelance on platforms like Upwork to build your portfolio. FinTech is a fast-evolving field, so staying updated is crucial. Follow industry news on sites like FinExtra or CoinDesk, and join LinkedIn groups or attend FinTech meetups to network with professionals in the field. So, what can you do with a FinTech certification? Let me show you. For instance, as a blockchain developer, you could work on creating secure and scalable smart contracts. As a FinTech product manager, you'd oversee the development of apps and platforms that millions of people rely on daily. The opportunities are vast, and the rewards are significant, both financially and professionally. That's a wrap for today's video. FinTech is changing the way the world thinks about money, and you can be a part of this revolution. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into tech and finance. If you have any questions or want to know more about certification programs, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.